Let's take a look at what's involved in replacing the high limit switch on an Atwood 7920-2. Here is what that high limit switch does. This part here, the silver part, goes inside the furnace, and if the furnace gets too hot, it turns off the furnace. On the back here, that's what we see on the inside. Now here are the numbers, and I'll have a link below to ordering the OEM, the factory part. So you can just do it once and not worry about it. We don't want any knockoffs. And we also, these are set to different temperature settings. So you want to make sure you have the correct temperature setting. So we can see here a couple of the numbers. Hopefully that helps you out if you're looking. But again, the link will be below. And it's 170 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the correct temperature. And then that part number 37021. All right, so that is the one that we want. To do it, all you have to do is remove this cover. Pull that out of the way. Make sure your power's off first, of course. Then you have this little plastic cover that holds the control board. We just pop the screw out of the top here. There we go. Screw off the top. There's a screw on the side as well, already removed. Pull the control board out of the way. You don't have to overdo it, but kind of just get it so it's off to the side. And then the limit switch is up underneath right there. You can see it. It's that cylinder shape right in the middle of your screen. It's got two connectors, and the only challenging part to this is that it requires a square drive to get those two screws out. And so what do I mean by that? I mean right here, if you have a screwdriver set, we've got the S1 square drive, and it looks like that. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. It's a square tip to it, and it's kind of a smaller square tip. So you take your square tip driver, and right in there, you're going to loosen that screw and the one above it. Then you're going to pull off those two connectors. In my case, they're pink. And right here in the back, you can see there are the connectors, 1, 2. Attach them to your new limit switch. Put the screws back in, and you're good to go. Pretty straightforward repair. Just want to get that correct part number. That's probably the toughest part. And then you're good to go. Once you're done, just reverse the steps. Put the control board back into place. Put the cover on. Fire it back up. Test it. And you should be good to go.